repair easy anti-cheat, most common fix. Aion 2 uses EAC, and if it's broken, you get error 0xE0000027. Go to the Aion 2 installation folder, open the easy anti-cheat folder, run easyanticheatsetup.exe. Click Repair Service, restart your PC, and run the game. Verify Repair Aion 2 game files. If you installed through a launcher, open your game launcher, go to Settings, Repair, Verify Files. If on manual install, reinstall the game. Delete corrupted config files. Press Win-R, type send app data %. Go to Local, find Aion 2, delete the config, cache, and temp folders. This forces the game to recreate new clean files. Update graphics drivers, very important. Install the newest drivers. NVIDIA GeForce Experience Clean Install AMD Adrenalin Software, Intel Arc Control Update. Old drivers instant crash with 0xE0000027. Install all required Visual C++ runtimes. Aion 2 requires multiple VC++ versions. Install this pack. Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributable. Make sure both x64 and x86 are installed. Turn off Windows exploit protection. Sometimes Windows blocks Aion 2.exe. Open Windows Security. Go to App and Browser Control. Click Exploit Protection Settings. Add Aion 2.exe. Turn off CFG, DP Override, CHOP, ASLR. Restart PC. Next, disable third-party antivirus, add game to exclusions. Antivirus apps, Avast, Bitdefender, McAfee, etc. block EAC or Aion 2.exe. Add exclusions for Aion 2.exe easy anti-cheat game folder, or temporarily disable antivirus, launch game, re-enable. Run Aion 2 as administrator. Right-click Aion 2.exe, choose Run as administrator. Reinstall easy anti-cheat. If repair didn't work, go to Cesh, Program Files, Easy Anti-Cheat. Delete the folder, reinstall from Aion 2 folder. Fully reinstall the game, last option. If nothing works, uninstall Aion 2. Delete the leftover folder in C, Users, Your Name, App Date, Local Aion 2. Reinstall fresh.